Living on a budget can be beneficial for everyone, including guys. Here are some reasons why. 1. Financial stability. Living on a budget can help guys achieve financial stability and security. By tracking their expenses and making a plan for their money, they can avoid overspending and make sure they have enough money for the things that matter most. 2. Save money. By living on a budget, guys can save money for emergencies, big purchases, or their future. They can also avoid debt and interest payments by living within their means. 3. Reduce stress. Financial stress can take a toll on mental and physical health. By living on a budget, guys can reduce their financial stress and improve their overall well-being. 4. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement, living on a budget can help guys achieve their financial goals. 5. Make better decisions. Living on a budget can help guys make better financial decisions by forcing them to consider the cost of their actions. It can also help them prioritize their spending and focus on the things that matter most. Overall, living on a budget can help guys achieve financial stability, save money, reduce stress, and make better financial decisions. Here are some practical tips for cutting expenses and living on a tight budget. 1. Shop smart. Buy generic or store brand items instead of name brand products. Use coupons and buy in bulk when possible to save money. 2. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking meals at home. 2. Pre-plan your meals ahead of time and make a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. 4. Reduce energy usage. Lower your energy bill by turning off lights and electronics when not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and setting your thermostat a few degrees lower in the winter and higher in the summer. 5. Cut back on subscriptions. Cancel any subscriptions or memberships that you don't use regularly. 6. Use public transportation. If possible, use public transportation or carpool to save money on gas and maintenance costs. 7. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Avoid buying things you don't need, and don't fall for sales or promotions that encourage impulse purchases. 8. Negotiate bills. Negotiate with service providers to try and get a better deal on your bills, such as your phone, internet, or cable bills. 9. Repair instead of replace. When something breaks, consider repairing it instead of buying a new one. This can save money in the long run. 10. Use free resources. Take advantage of free resources such as public libraries, parks, and community centers. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options such as free concerts, movies in the park, or hiking trails. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.